Out of the depths I cast you, Lord. Lord, hear my voice. Lord, let your ears be attentive to the voice of my people. If you, Lord, should make our gifts, Lord, who would survive? But today is found forgiveness for this who revere you. My soul is waiting for the Lord. I count on his word. My soul is longing for the Lord. More than watchman counts on their bread. Let his way hope in the Lord. Because with God there's mercy and fullness of redemption. His way will redeem from all his iniquity. Listen to our prayer, Lord, as we humbly beg your mercy that the soul of your servant Donatus, whom you have called from this life, may be brought by you to a place of peace and life, and to be enabled to share the life of your saints through Christ our Lord. Yes, we get it, Lord, you and I. Yes, we get it, Lord, you and I. Yes, we get it, Lord, you and I.